Hello, I wanted to tell you about a 2012 Honda Civic EX that we have in stock. It has the 1.8 liter engine, automatic transmission. This car has been very well maintained by a Honda dealership. As far as, having all the oil changes, brakes, things like that were all performed at a dealership. Nice car all the way around. You can see the inside here, cloth, but it does have a sunroof. You do have an auxiliary port in this one and a USB port, along with an accessory plug. It's got your econ mode for gas saving. Everything's in pretty good shape. Great little car. You can see us online at Autohouse.US. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 678-384-1862. Hope to talk to you soon.